Now we will show you how to install all the machines together. The first one, it is the semi-automatic LCD separator. And this is the power line. Here we will connect it here to the machine. There is a plug for the power line. And connect it to the power plug or to your wall. But make sure that the voltage it is 220 here. And then this is the power line for the vacuum pump. We plug it here. And this here, it is a hose for the vacuum. Plug here. Now, the setting will be finished. And here, we click this button. This is controls the temperature here. Usually the temperature it is 80 degree or 80 to 90, both okay. And then plus this, it is the start for this one. And here, it is for the start button for the vacuum pump. Because the vacuum pump connects with the LCD separator already, so just click this button, it will controls the on or off for the vacuum pump. So this is the whole setup for the semi-automatic LCD separator. And see here this gauge it is for you to check the speed for the wine. It usually it is 1 second. It means that 1 second on this side and 1 second on another side. So it will roll like one side 1 second and another side another second, like this.
先要开真空棒吸住才能开那个。
知道我做事。OK， 那我要给他们演示一下。
先要开真空棒把它吸住。不行，没吸住。
Put it to cover the hose, so you can. Okay, this is for iPhone 5. Make sure that the line is just to separate the glass only. And then pull it in slowly for the first round. And make sure that your temperature is up to 80 degrees, so the glue will be more softer by the higher temperature. And while you separate to the end, make sure that you do not touch the cable. And then for the second round. For the next round, you can be much quicker because the wine almost has been separated by the steel line.
可以了。先关的马达，直接是反着来的。
It has been separated very successfully. And usually, if it is the original LCD, if it is the original LCD, you can remove the glue by your hand, in order to protect the polarizing film. But if you think that the polarizing film it is needed to be replaced, you can just use the glue removal machine to remove the polarizing film together with the glue. Okay. It is the second process, the glue removal. Because this LCD it is not the original one, so we will show you that use this machine to remove both the glue together with the polarizer film. And here, this is the temperature. Usually it is 200 or 220 will be okay. And here it is power button. Just connect it with the power strip will be okay. See here. And here, if you find that the height it is not enough for the LCD or it is too high or too low, you can just adjust these screws to adjust the height for this part. Okay. And now put it here, usually in the middle. And press down. And
头要让开，头挡住了。
Watch wash out the cable like this. Okay. So you will find that
让开一点看。
the polarizer film, it is together be removed by the this blade together with the glue. And watch out that the blade, make sure it does not damage, do harm to your finger. Okay, so it has been removed. And see here, there will be some remain glue here, and also the polarizer. You can use the razor blade to remove the rest of the glue, but make sure that you do not touch the cable here. And for other tiny things here, the dirt, you can use the alcohol to clean it, but do not use the blade, in order not to make damage for the LCD.
可以了。
Okay, and the third process, it is the manual LCD laminating machine for you to paste the OCA film or polarizer film on this on the LCD or glass, both okay. So first, you will have to connect the power line for the vacuum pump to this power strip, and then here it is the hose to connect with this machine. Connect it with the vacuum pump. And this vacuum pump, it is together with one pedal, so that you can use the feet to control the button for the vacuum pump. Make it more easier for you. And here, this is the LCD and the new glass. Okay. And here, the new OCA and the polarizer film. And usually for the polarizer film, it has direction. Only one side has a sticker on it, so you have to recognize that which one is the upside. Usually it's the one with deep cover. That is the side that face up, and the other side it does not have glue on it. You can have a try. This, okay. And first we have to make sure that the LCD is clean enough.
看不到这边，
Yeah.
也看不到，头挡住了。
Use the razor blade to clean the rest polarizer film together with the glue. Okay, but make sure that your blade does not damage the LCD. And then clean it. And while you do this separation, make sure that the blade does not touch with the flex cable, or it will damage your cable. Okay, next we will show you how to paste the polarizer film on the LCD. Put it here after you to clean. Put it here. And make you can see that here there are two measurements for this machine. This one it is help you to adjust from left to right, and this one it is adjust this plate from up to down. So you can adjust it by yourself. And according to the position. Here it has two screws here, which you can move by yourself. If you think that the distance is too long, you can adjust this here and move the calibrator from this side to that side. So first, and make sure that the rest of the holes need to be covered. Otherwise, the vacuum pump won't be powerful enough for you to stick the polarizer film or the OCA film. And see here, the edge for the polarizer film it is in the middle of the roller, and then you can see it through here. Okay, that means it is not enough. Like this. Okay, after you do alignment for the polarizer film together with the LCD, you can use this peel sticker to peel off the protector film. Okay. See, there is no bubbles. Okay. So in this process, it is most important for the whole refurbishment. You have to make sure that after you paste the polarizer film on it, there is no bubbles left. very hard for you to remove by the autoclave bubble remover. So, and then paste the OCA film on the polarizer film. Because you have made alignment already, so for this one, just put it here. Fine. So there is no bubbles again. And while you do this process, you have to make sure that your thumb is here, and use a little strength through your thumb so it will go to the roller and then pull it out. So the roller will make the polarizer film very flatly if your strength is through the finger. And here, the left 4 fingers you have to lift up a little, and then this one it is pressed down. So the roller will have strength while you pull it out. Okay, so that is maybe a trick for this process. And after we do that, we will use the mold to do alignment.
这要对着摄像头说了吧
To do alignment. 没反吗？是这样吗？
反了。
No. Okay. Put it in the mold and use a U glass and make sure that there is no dust. Okay.
拿起来。
While you do this process, make sure that you do not press it. If you press the glass on the LCD, there may be dead bubbles, which cannot be removed by the bubble removal machine. So just put it on the LCD and then use your fingers to pull it out like this, and then put it on the OCA vacuum later.
好，关了啊。
Okay, now it is the fourth step. And first, this is the OCA vacuum later. Here it is the power line. Plug it here. And this side to the power strip. Or to your board. Yes, make sure that it is completely transparent. And here, it is the vacuum pump. And plug the power line for the vacuum pump here. And then here, this is the blue tube. It is for the vacuum pump. Okay, plug here. And the transparent hose, it is connected with the air compressor. Just connect it with one air compressor will be okay. Now.
转过来。
好重啊！
帮我扶着。扶着。
哎呦！这个在前面，是能看到前面吗？And here, now, while you use this machine, you have make sure that the value of the gauges are correct. See here, the first one it is usually it is 0.2, and here this one it is 0.4 will be okay. So we can.
0.3就够了。
Or 0.3 it is okay as well. If you want to adjust, just plug it out and then clockwise will be okay. Okay. And this one is for you to adjust this the gauge gear. And here, this is for the vacuum degree, so no need to adjust anything for this one. This one, it is the vacuum degree connect with the vacuum pump directly. So what your vacuum pump degree it is, then the value will show here. And here, these are two buttons here, which you do not need to touch them. Just make it here. Not too tight and not too loose will be okay. Usually no need to touch them. Okay, and here, this one is for vacuum time, and this one for lamination time, and this one is for exhausting time for the vacuum inside. So usually it is 15 or 20 will be okay, and this one it is 10, and this is 15. And here, this is the power button, and this it is the start button. So while you want to power on this button, first you will put your remote screen here. Okay, and use your left hand to push in, because on the back it has a button on the back. So push in.
开电。
And then 这里吗？ Please notice that while you make this button, you have to make sure that there is value starts to move on this vacuum degree. Then you can release your hand. If you do not wait for there is value shown on the vacuum degree, then this will bounce very quickly. So make sure that while you press down this button, and until there is value here, so you can release both of your hands. Okay. Let's wait for 15 seconds. It will bounce automatically. Okay. Fine. So you can see here, after lamination, there is no bubbles in the middle, and only bubbles around. And while you see it like this direction, you will find that the bubbles are like colorful. That means it is very easy to remove by the bubble removal machine. Okay.
开了。
And here it is the last step. This is the mini autoclave bubble remover. See here, it will have a power line as well. Just connect to the power strip, but make sure that this machine will work under 220 voltage as well. And here there is a air compressor hose, and then just connect it to the air compressor will be okay. And while you do this operation, you have to make sure that all these screws are very tight while you do operation. Ensure to because the pressure inside it is very large while you do operation. See here, in this chamber, the vacuum chamber, each time you can put around 100 pieces LCDs or 100 to 50. So just stack up will be okay, and the time it is the same as you put one piece or two pieces. It is okay. So you can finish all the previous steps together and then put in the autoclave bubble removal machine together in order to save you much more time. And here this is the power button for the temperature. Usually the temperature it is 40 degree, and here it is the time. Okay, we can see. 这是10分钟哎。
10分钟可以了。
Usually it is 15 minutes, but for only one, maybe one iPhone or iPhone 5 or iPhone 4, 10 minutes it is enough as well. And here it is the pressure. 这个要调是不是？
不用调，要有气压才能调。
Okay. And here it is a button for you to adjust this gauge gear. Okay. 待会要拧紧了，这个不行。
附在我眼里。可以了。
这个不
开气。
这里。
这里那个拧的。
啊。
这个气呢？
See here, the gauge is easy to turn around. Usually it is 0.6 amp will be okay.
等着呀，等的时候同时介绍一下别的东西，好不好？
好。
等10分钟啊。
See here, it is 0.6.
介绍一下别的那些机器啊，防尘污啊。
你看到吗？ So we will have to wait around 10 minutes, and then it will finish for this process. 对吧？ And here, we would like to introduce some more professional tools for you to complete the whole process for refurbishment. See here, this is the dust-free room, and here this is the middle size. If you have large volume production, you can use one dust-free room to make you more professional. Because usually people do not get bubbles, but we have dust in LCD, which affects the result as well. And this here, it is the LP together with the fan. This is the above component. And here, there is the strong line for you to do manual laminating here. And here, it is the green bar. In fact, you can make the green bar locally to reduce some cost for the shipping. But if you can get from us, it is okay as well. And here, for this dust-free room, in fact, you just need to only put this manual laminating machine on inside will be okay. Because only this side you will pick the OCA film on the LCD or glass. Just make sure that in this process there is no dust fill in, it will be okay. 还缺什么？还能看这边不？
没有，可以啊。
So all these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All these 5 machines will be necessary for you to complete the whole process. And in fact, there is a last one which used for iPhone base frame lamination. But that is only for iPhone. If you do Samsung, LG, or other phones, then don't use the last machine. So usually these 5 will be needed. And like this vacuum pump and air compressor, which is very normal types, which you can get locally. And usually we can send the specification to the customers for your reference to check if you can get locally.
可以了。
Okay, now 10 minutes it is over. This is ready. Do you see what is the result? Okay, fine.
Very good.